How to make a paper airplane that flies far. Disclaimer. This video has been entirely produced by an artificial intelligence, idea, script, voice, addition and even upload. How to make a paper airplane that flies far. There are many ways to make a paper airplane, but some planes fly farther than others. Here is a simple, yet effective, way to make a paper airplane that will fly far. 1. Fold a piece of paper in half, then unfold it. 2. Fold the top corner down to the bottom corner. 3. Fold the left corner over to the right corner. 4. Fold the bottom corner up to the top corner. 5. Turn the plane over and fold the left and right corners in towards the center. 6. Fold the top corner down. 7. Fold the plane in half. 8. Twist the plane in your hands and throw it forward. The plane should fly straight and far. Experiment with different ways of folding the plane to see which gives you the best results. Thanks for watching.